Come and eat with flavor, cause it's flavor time. Come and eat with flavor, cause it's flavor time. Come and eat with flavor, cause it's flavor time. Cause it's flavor time, cause it's flavor time. What's up, guys? Thank you for choosing my channel. Today we are having a flavor burger, some fries, and I made some sauce. Yes, just a little mayonnaise, ketchup, lemon juice, and some salt. That's it. So the flavor burger is my burger. Yes, I made it myself because I didn't feel like going anywhere to buy anything to eat today. And this is a lamb burger. So let me say my grace. Ooh. So I decided to make a lamb burger, you guys. And I wrapped it up in some wax paper. Oh, hopefully I don't make a big mess, because I always do. It's already falling apart. Because it's a double burger. Ooh, it's a double burger. There you go. So I got like lettuce. I had made some sauce to put on here. Cheese, onions. Ooh, I want to show y'all, but I know I'm about to make a mess. Let's see. Ooh, that is a messy burger. I tried my best to wrap it real neat, but I guess I did not do a good job. All right, y'all. Let's see. Try this. Mmm. That's so good. I'll put that on my plate. I'm making a mess. Oh yes. And I didn't use it buy any wine, but I got me a Corona. Any kids out there? This is bad. Don't do this. Order wine. Ooh, nasty. Don't drink that. It's bad for you. And I got me some fries. Ooh, excuse me. I just burped, y'all. I'm a little late with my apologies. That sauce not bad. My boyfriend talking about he wanted to eat vegan today. Now he gonna tell me this after I got my burger. I was like, well, we can eat vegan, but I'm gonna eat my lamb burger today. So yeah. So he's gonna eat some broccoli. I'm not eating broccoli, rice, corn, and mashed potatoes. What kind of meal? It don't even go together. I said, if you want to eat vegan, you better come up with a better meal than that. So I guess he gonna figure out something. I'm not. Like, I can do it, but I feel like, you know, at least make it exciting a little bit. I feel like I can't see my food. That sun. Got some natural lighting today. I got a mess all on my table. Shout out to all of you guys for being here. Because guess what I just figured out, what I saw? I hit
100 subscribers today. Toast to that. I'm spitting everywhere, but I'm sorry, y'all can still toast to it. So y'all know, definitely I will be doing my spicy wing challenge soon. I finally got my sauce. I got it yesterday. They crammed it. It came in a box, a nice little box. And the mailman, he always does this, because I live on the 3rd floor, so he hates coming up here. So whatever he can cram in my my mailbox, he will cram it in the mailbox. So that's what he did. So my mailbox is about this big, and the box that was in there is about this big. And I could not get the box out. So basically, I had to take the tape. There's some tape, like, you gotta take the box down. I took the tape, I peeled it off a little bit. I had to hook onto that and pull it out. I'm like, you're too much. You know, he could have brought that upstairs. And they put me some little seaweed snacks in there. So I got 2 packs of seaweed snacks and the spicy sauce. So I guess they was like, good luck with that. Here's some seaweed sauce, some seaweed snacks to go with that. So I like seaweed snacks, so I was kind of excited to see that. I feel like I don't know if I should move the camera or... Alright, you guys, I'm back. I had to close one of those shades because a lot of that sunlight's coming in and y'all can't really see my food, which you probably can't see it much now, but hopefully that helped. The lamb burger is good. And I put a little cumin in it, some onion, salt, sea salt. I use sea salt, pepper. I diced some onions, and I sprinkle a little seasoning salt on top after I cooked it. And then I made a sauce to put on top of it, which was sour cream, mayonnaise, some arugula, some diced onions, a little bit of lemon juice, and I think I did salt and pepper and garlic salt. And so that's so good. Instead of using just regular mayonnaise, I just made some salsa. Oh, and some sriracha. And I think it's so great when I see like these other subscribers, these other YouTubers, not subscribers, YouTubers who has like these thousands of subscribers and stuff. It's just so, it's so motivating to see those people doing what they do and just getting people from all over watching them do it. So I'm gonna celebrate my 100 subscribers, you guys. So this is a milestone for me. Because I didn't ever think I would actually get to 100 subscribers, but I got my mind focused on what I want, and I want that million. I want that 1 million subscribers, y'all, and I want it by next year. I want at least a 100,000 by the end of this year. I think I need to be moving a little bit faster than that if I want a million next year. But I have learned that doing certain things, like, you have to be business minded, focused, motivated, and you have to promote yourself, because sometimes people don't promote you. You have to promote yourself. So remember, if nobody else gonna promote you, you can do it. You can promote yourself. Get yourself out there. Like with my clothing line, my people didn't promote my business. I did. My burger's sliding out. I had some strangers that would share my stuff, but like my own people, nope. I've talked about this before. Well, like when I go to get-togethers and stuff, they don't even bring my business up. So I don't even worry about it. The thing about people, they talk about who they want to talk about, and they congratulate who they want to congratulate when they're ready. Oh, excuse me. When I started my channel last year, I was in CDL school. And if you look back at my videos, I stopped because I was working. I started my job and I started working, and I have not had a chance to like record. I tried to do it in my truck one time, and it was just, the quality was horrible. It really wasn't much for me to, mukbang on. Besides what I cooked. And I was eating chicken every day. And I really wasn't satisfied with it. But now I'm starting to realize, if I just would have started, I would have had something for the 8 months that I was working. And I wanted a new camera, which was not a good reason for me not to record. But my boyfriend got me one, and I was so excited he got it for me. He was like, you better use it. And I use it faithfully. And ever since he got it, I've been recording almost every day for the past few weeks, so I just got it. So, like I said, I'm learning. Promote yourself. Get yourself out there. If your own family don't see you, somebody will see you. I'm gonna put that on a shirt. If your own family don't see you, somebody will see you. My kids They gone for the summer, but I'm gonna get them back for 4th of July. If anybody just tuning in, they didn't hear this same story. But my daughter, she goes to her dad's every summer, so I let her go to her dad's every summer. And my boys, my daughter and my boys have 2 different dads. So my daughter, she's 12, and my son is 7, and my baby is 2. So it's a little difference or whatever in the years. And so she's going to her dad's. My boys are at their grandma's house. I'm still with their dad, so that's my boyfriend. We've been together for 9 years. And everybody's like, why you don't get married? 9 years is a long time. It is a long time, but like when you go through stuff, sometimes you get married when you're ready. I don't never tell anybody. I feel like I used to say, dang, you should be married by now, but like, if y'all ain't ready to get married, don't do it. Do it when you're ready. I see so many people get married when people tell them to get married, and it never works. My brothers, both of them married. One of them, it didn't work, and the other one, it did. I forgot to give y'all some. Y'all can have some fries. Take it. But when my kids come back, I think I'm gonna make some more stuff that I can make a lot of it. And then at least my kids can eat the rest instead of me just having a bunch of leftovers. Like I seen Steph and Tosh and B Love just did one too, a spaghetti mukbang. But I don't want to make a bunch of spaghetti and let nobody here but me and my boyfriend. And I think, I'm really thinking I might let my daughter eat with me on a few mukbangs because she wants to do it. And I said that before too, so give her something fun to do for a couple of days while she'll be here. Then her daddy will pick her up later. And my boys, my 2-year-old, he do his own thing. I wanted to do a little show with him, but he won't stay still long enough. And my other son, he's so picky. He would eat the fries, but he would be so picky about the burger and what's on it, how big is it, I don't want no cheese, I don't like ketchup, do I gotta eat the bread? I be like, oh my god, get away from me. So yeah. That was so good. Besides the beer, y'all kids, the beer was nasty. I just need something to quench my thirst. Don't drink. It's bad for you. Don't do drugs. It's bad for you. Alright, y'all. I try not to dip my fries too much. I know y'all probably was like, dip the fries. But like, I already had mayonnaise on my burger, and then it's like dipping my fries in mayonnaise again. It's like, I should have just used plain ketchup. The sauce is good, but it's just too much mayonnaise. But you know what time it is. It's time for me to go. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, you guys, I'll see you guys later. Peace.